Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue of Hamster Kombat not opening on your device. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Access the Hamster Kombat channel and then tap on the play button to launch the game. If the game doesn't open and just stays on a blank screen, close the Telegram app completely. Next, go to your device's Settings app. Scroll down and select General. Under General Settings, look for iPhone storage or device storage depending on your device. Once you're in the storage settings, locate the Telegram app. After finding it, tap on it. On the Telegram app settings page, look for the Offload app option. Tap on it to offload the app. After offloading, you'll see an option to reinstall app. Tap on it and wait for the app to reinstall. This process will clear the app's cache without deleting your chats and settings. Once the reinstallation is complete, launch the Telegram app again and try accessing Hamster Kombat. The game should open without any issues. So that's basically how you can fix the problem of Hamster Kombat not opening on Telegram. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.